Turn around, Carly. I'm video you.
You video?
Uh-huh. Yeah. I forgot to put my gloves on. My hands are freezing.
Like a whole bunch of snow in here.
Does it automatically stop recording after a certain amount of time?
Is it what?
Does it stop recording after a certain amount of time?
No, you have to hit the button to stop.
Well, come closer so I can get your face. Don't bust your butt. Okay.